Welcome. If you've ever blocked a website from running JavaScript in Chrome and later needed to undo that, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to remove a site from Chrome's JavaScript blocked list, so you can get those interactive features working again. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or however you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Under this, you'll see an option called Site Settings. Click on it. This page lets you manage permissions for different sites, including things like location, notifications, and of course, JavaScript. Now look for the JavaScript option in the list. Tap or click on it. Here, you'll see two main sections, allowed to use JavaScript and not allowed to use JavaScript. The sites listed under not allowed are those you've previously blocked. Find the specific site you want to remove from the blocked list. Tap on the site's name to open its settings. You'll see options to either remove it from the list or change its permissions. To allow JavaScript again, simply tap Remove to delete it from the blocked list or change its setting to allow. This instantly updates the site's permissions, letting it run JavaScript the next time you visit. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've restored JavaScript functionality for your chosen site in Chrome. This is a handy way to troubleshoot websites that aren't working as expected, or to reverse a block you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more Chrome tips and tricks.